Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to activate your AT&T prepaid SIM card online in 2025. Fast, simple, and totally hassle-free. If you've just bought a new SIM and aren't sure where to begin, don't worry. I've got you covered. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type AT&T Prepaid Activation in the search bar and make sure you click the official AT&T website. That's crucial to avoid fake or phishing pages. Once you're on the official activation page, you'll see an option to activate your SIM or phone. Click Get Started to begin. Next, you'll be asked how many devices you're activating. Most of the time, it's just one. So select that and hit Continue. Now you'll need to enter your device information. You can use either the ICCID number from your SIM card or the IMEI number from your phone. The ICCID is printed on the back of the card your SIM came with. The IMEI can be found by going to Settings, About Phone, Status, or by checking your phone's original box. After entering the correct details, you'll be prompted to type in your ZIP code, the one where you'll be using your AT&T service. Then, click Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your personal details when asked, and within a few moments, your AT&T prepaid SIM card will be fully activated. That's it. Your phone is now ready to go. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this one.